I've analyzed thousands of shorts. I watch TikTok all the time. I watch Instagram Reels. I've analyzed most of the Reels and Shorts are pretty much repurposed TikTok. So you can just really, if you want to do your own market research, go watch TikTok. These are the 5 things. Make sure you hang out for this. These are the 5 things that I've noticed. 5 amazing aspects of the most successful short form content creators. Number 1, they use voiceover in the form of audio or written text to contextualize the narrative. This is something that I've noticed in all of the most successful short form content creators, is adding captions to their short videos or voice over audio that accompanies the narrative, the images, and the video itself. That there is something about that. It adds freshness, crispness. It adds more layers of meaning and it also shows a little more effort. The fact that you show a little bit of effort, like Logan said earlier, dude, your backdrop looks cool, your setup, your studio looks cool, and to me it's like I feel like I could do so much better, but I really appreciate that. I did put a lot of hard work into setting this up. Just adding those little details and going that extra step, it really adds credibility. And it shows your audience that, you're putting in a lot of effort. People appreciate effort. Okay, number 2, a lot of cuts, variation of scenes, locations, and collapsing of time to enhance retention. So sitting in one direct, I'm not saying you can't get away with a great short that way, but with one angle, one tone, one location, one singular space, I think is fine. But by adding a little more dynamicism to your short, adding more variation, different scenes, collapsing time. What I mean by collapsing time to enhance retention is some of these amazing short form content creators can go through an entire weekend in less than 60 seconds. So they've got, for example, they've got one cut breakfast, one cut hanging out at the beach, one cut dinner, one cut hanging out, saying bon voyage, or at night at the club, another cut in the morning. They're collapsing time through these editing strategies and through these cuts and variations of scenes, also adding audio, also adding text. Really, really powerful way of enhancing retention, which enhances reach, which enhances audiences, which enhances revenue. Number 3 that I've noticed after analyzing thousands upon thousands of TikToks, shorts, and reels, they don't overuse hashtags and they let the algorithm do the work for them. I've actually experimented with this myself, where I've put tons of hashtags in a short form content, short video, and some I've put like 2 or 3. The hashtags don't make really any difference at all. These algorithms, especially TikTok's algorithms, are so smart. If you just focus on creating amazing content that entertains, educates, or enhances the viewer experience in any way, shape, or form, algorithm will do all the work for you. It's the same thing with YouTube. It's the same thing with any platform. If you just create amazing content that serves your audience, the algorithm will do all the work for you. It's as simple as that. It's very, very simple. And so I think just putting maybe 1 to 3 significant, relevant hashtags is all you need. And by the way, I think it looks bad too. I don't know about you, but I've actually kind of swiped up or swiped away from videos, or just been turned off when I see a video add 50, 20 hashtags. It's like, give me a break. I mean, we know what you're trying to do and it's just not working. 2 or 3 relevant hashtags is all you really need as far as I've seen. 2 more to go. Number 4, and let me know, by the way, replay viewers, I respond to all the comments personally. Let me know what you've noticed too I'd love to hear it in the chat. And number 4 seems pretty obvious, but maybe not. They incorporate trending audio. And so taking advantage of whatever trending audio on these platforms, trending music, right? I mean, what's the first audio bite that comes to mind when you think of TikTok? For me, it's the oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 right? I mean, there's things like that. Taking stock, paying attention to what the trends are. What are the trending audio? The Billie Eilish song, you know, or the Billie Eilish reference, whatever that song is. I don't think it's actually Billie Eilish. Taking advantage of those audio trends, I've noticed all the top performing short form content really incorporates that. So it's really important, I think, to pay attention to that. You don't always have to use it. But it's just something to think about, is incorporating trendy audio. Okay. Last but not least, I think this one might actually come as a bit of a surprise. Maybe not, though. But this one's really interesting. Number 5, I've noticed the most successful shorts do this. Most of them are well under 3 minutes. I know that Instagram has added 90-second reels. They're probably going to even go bigger. I know that TikTok has added 10-minute shorts, which makes no sense at all. I don't think I've seen one successful 10-minute long or 8-minute long short video, unless it's really, really from somebody famous or whatever. What I have found after analyzing thousands of shorts and TikToks, etc., is most of them are 60 seconds or less. Now, there are exceptions. There's a few that go beyond 60 seconds, but the majority, I would say 85 to 75% of them, 60 seconds or less. I think short, sweet, simple, to the point is absolutely essential. Okay, one more time. Let me run down these top 5 things I've noticed that I think we should all incorporate, we should all kind of pay attention to, and see how we can maybe add these to our strategies for after analyzing thousands of shorts and TikToks and Reels. Number 1, they use voiceover in the form of audio or written text to contextualize the narrative. Number 2, a lot of different cuts, locations, variations of scenes, and collapsing time to enhance retention. They don't overuse hashtags, and they let the algorithm do the work for them. These algorithms are genius. If you create amazing content, usually the algorithm will do the rest of the heavy lifting. Number 4, incorporating trending audio. Big deal. And then number 5, under 3 minutes. Most of them are 60 seconds or less. Short, sweet, and to the point. That is what I've discovered after analyzing thousands of TikToks, shorts, and Reels.